Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Biker. Hope yous are all well. Thanks heaps for tuning in. Absolutely awesome day today is going to be. I'm going to be riding with Mad Will. It's nice and early. It's 5:30 in the morning. Just try to beat the heat because it's coming up into summer now. It's already hitting 31, 32 degrees and the humidity is sitting at about 85-90% already. So we go out early now and get our fix for the day. I'm trying a different I've got another camera set up. Hopefully we get some good shots. It's a rear view camera like I used to have on the Ducati, and going with Mad Will, as I said. So it should be a good day. Grab a coffee, cold drink, sit back, and I hope you enjoy the video, guys. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing that and giving the video a like. That'll help my channel out. Always leave a comment too, guys, if you want to know anything about the RSV4. It's a 2022 model, or the Street Fighter, or the Tiger from any of my other videos. And I've got another surprise coming up as well, guys, so stay tuned and tune into the channel, and I hope you enjoy the video. Hey guys, start of the ride. This is some nice little twisties, not twisties, some nice bends coming through here. Beautiful way to start the ride. Man, I can't believe how nice this temperature is at the moment. I love riding it this time. It's so cool. I've got this summer jacket which I'll show you. Actually, it's a one of the best jackets I've ever owned for summer. It's so breezy, it's beautiful. Breeze just goes through. It's got all the armour and that on it, and awesome. Wheels behind me. Bloody dog on the road, unbelievable. Nah, Will missed it too. That's bloody dangerous, having a dog out like that on the road that chases bikes and the Rottweiler. This is a good section of road, guys, ain't it? Lucky little kangaroo. I don't know if you've seen that. He's lucky he bounced the other way. It went straight in my front wheel. That wouldn't have been good. both of us. That's the only thing, riding a bit earlier, still get the roos and all that out. Skippies, we call them here in Australia, kangaroos. They got the name Skippy from a show. Skippy the bush kangaroo it was. But yeah, you just got to be careful of that. But suspension wise, guys, this bike from the factory, it's set up unbelievably. It's really good. It's so the tyres are wearing absolutely perfect. There's no burring, no lipping, no nothing at all, and that's straight from the factory. And the sound of this thing, it's unreal. It just sounds good. Cambers away from you this road. Nice tight one. Mad wheels in front. You're enjoying the video, guys. Absolutely awesome day, absolutely beautiful. The temperature is probably about 16 degrees now. It's just got that nice morning freshness. We just come through a section of road before I videoed then, really bumpy, horrible section of road, and I nearly hit a swamp hen, and that's like a bird that sits about, like off the top of the screen, about that high. He was running across the road. Ended up getting a new visor, guys. Jeez, it made a difference, eh? I've got one of those translucent ones that change to the sun conditions and all that sort of stuff, and unreal. Love them, because I don't like wearing glasses, sunnies, especially when the road's like this. But the visor's nice and clear now, and it's like it's a clear visor. As soon as you get in the sun, she darkens up. It takes about 30 seconds, but it slowly goes darker. guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. This is the new rear camera. Damn it, there was 4 cars up ahead of us and I thought, well, I could try to go around them, it's not worth it. So we ended up just slowing up here for a little bit and pulling up, and I waited for Will to catch up behind us, and we gave the cars a bit of room, and yeah, just sat here for a bit and away we went after that. So I hope you're enjoying the video, guys, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, consider doing that, and we'll chat soon. Stick up. This is a great bend, this. Good footage of that. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video riding with Mad Will. If you haven't subscribed, maybe consider doing that and giving the video a like and thumbs up, all that sort of stuff. I'll whack up now that summer jacket that I was saying. It's absolutely awesome. But anyhow guys, ride safe, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, this is the jacket that I was telling you about. Like, look at that. It's just, you see straight through that. It's absolutely unreal. Armour all in it on the side there, and that's the brand there, and that's the jacket itself, and see all down your arms, all over the back. It's absolutely brilliant jacket. I love it, and it looks pretty classy. You got a little metal tag on it, and it's CE approved protection. That's big backpack on it. You can leave that off and it's just straight air then. You see it all the way through it, shoulder pads. Righto guys, hope you like that one. It's definitely worth grabbing. It's got the pockets in it and all that, and you buy it online. Righto.